2.5 million. That's the number of students passing out of Indian colleges every year. At the same time, India is marching towards becoming a 5 trillion economy. Still, 83% of unemployed people are youth. Why are we not able to effectively utilize our youth? Even after government spending thousands of crores on infrastructure development, why aren't we still able to address the unemployment problem? It's because even though we were really good at creating public infrastructure, what we failed to create is human infrastructure. It's because traditional educational systems operate on rigid structures with centralized authority, and thereby technology is crossing ahead while our curriculum's lagging behind. The current system's inefficiency is caused by available resources being fragmented, inability to validate skilled people, inability to keep people motivated, and resources not reaching everybody. What this created was a lack of aspirational people and a pool of unskilled talent. As a result, the gap between the academia and the industries were widening each day. To address this issue, a consortium of technology companies in Kerala called GTech created an academy and technology focus group, and they, with the leadership of these leaders under GTech, started MuLearn. In 2019, started in merely Discord server. MuLearn was born to address the skill gap and to make the process of skilling an enjoyable journey. The core belief of MuLearn is to help students discover what they love and show them how to earn revenue from them. MuLearn acts like a launchpad for students, helping them break the escape velocity of their limiting beliefs to reach the opportunities they dream of. MuLearn structures unstructured resources, catches up with all industry trends, makes learning fun by gamifying the experience, all while making these resources free and accessible for everyone. We believe knowledge and resources should be available for everyone, no just a select few. MuLearn operates based on interest groups, and based on the interest groups chosen, they will have access to all the resources they'll require to excel in that specific domain. How MuLearn works. MuLearn is based on a system we created called a Universal Skill Framework. Yes, just like your UPI. Let's look at how MuLearn works with Universal Skill Framework. MuLearn's system has primarily two major components, a consumer side and a provider side. A consumer could be an enterprise consuming talent or a talent consuming knowledge. And on the provider side could be entities providing courses or enterprises providing resource. Let's understand with an example. Let's take an entity. After deciding to be a provider, you are further asked to be the type of provider you wish to be. On selecting education, you will be asked the area in which will be providing courses, and based on that, further options can be selected. After deciding on the exact domain of your service, the resources shared will be passed on to think tanks. Think tank consists of experts from different domains. After vetting its relevance, they'll decide on the karma points and the proof of work for the resource based on its completion time and complexity, and only then will the resources be provided to the consumers. And thereafter, these will get added to their corresponding learning paths. Similarly, let's see the journey of a learner. After he selects his journey, he is further offered to select his interest group. On selecting his learning journey, he is shown a learning path. And the unique thing about this journey is it's self-paced, gamified, peer-vetted, experiential, and also based on the latest industry trends. After going through this journey, he creates a proof of work. The proof submitted then goes through a peer validation by learners who have gone through the same journey before, and thereby earning them their karma points. What are these karma points, you may think? Karma points are digital skill points earned by individuals by submitting proof of works of the projects they are undertaking, as karma becomes the universal currency for skilling. Any candidate's expertise can be assessed based on the amount of karma they have earned. Karma points can be further analyzed to determine the specific skills for which they were awarded, helping an employer who is looking to hire talents to easily identify the right talents required for their specific teams. Aspiration and perseverance in learning is what karma shows. Along with the karma, a digital identity is also created on joining MuLearn called a MuID. This will be your digital identity for skilling. Just like Aadhaar was your digital identity and UPI your financial identity, MuID is your skilling identity, which can be utilized to get a complete overview of an individual's skills and capabilities. MuLearn is not just another community, it's a movement to create the new face of India, with world leaders and change makers. Let's unite. Want to be a part of MuLearn? Just go to www.mulearn.org.